Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we are comparing two incredible smartphone stabilizers, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and the Hohem iSteady M7. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT offers a fantastic balance of features and affordability, perfect for casual users and content creators on a budget. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady M7 is a professional-grade gimbal packed with advanced features for serious videographers. We'll dive into their specifications, performance, and unique capabilities to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT stands out as a budget-friendly option at just $115. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M7 is a premium product priced at $399. This significant difference in cost reflects the advanced features and build quality of the Hohem model, making it suitable for professional use. However, for those looking for value without compromising on essential features, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT is hard to beat. Portability is another crucial factor for content creators. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT weighs only 375 grams, making it extremely lightweight and easy to carry around. Its compact design allows it to fit into small bags, making it ideal for travel. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady M7, while offering more features, weighs 629 grams, which can lead to fatigue during extended use. Therefore, if you're looking for a gimbal that you can easily take on the go, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT is the better choice. When it comes to tracking capabilities, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT relies on app-based face tracking, which may not be as reliable as dedicated hardware solutions. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M7 features a detachable AI tracker that works independently of the phone app, providing superior tracking versatility. This makes the Hohem model a preferred choice for professionals who require precise tracking during their shoots. Overall, for advanced tracking features, the Hohem iSteady M7 takes the lead. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and the Hohem iSteady M7 have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT is perfect for budget-conscious creators seeking essential features and portability, while the Hohem iSteady M7 is tailored for professionals who need advanced capabilities and robust performance. Choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.